Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do an easy thin pancakes. We will need 250 grams of all-purpose flour, which we're gonna add on this a pinch of salt, okay, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then we're gonna put in 5 large eggs. Okay. And together with 50 grams of melted butter. Also give a good whisk. Milliliters of milk, but we are not gonna pour all at once because it will form lumps, so we just want to pour little bit by little bit until all our milk is combined. After milk is combined, we're gonna pour in 100 milliliters of mineral water. Take our dough and pour in. And then you take a pan and just spread evenly on all the corners. As you can see now, here it's a golden brown, so we will flip this over, and I will do by hands like this, and just to show you how it should look.